welcome. Well, hello world. My name is Pink, and I'm here to tell you that I'll be your next gaming animator for the next decade. Movement vignette. I had no idea what. Oh, perfect! I was actually looking for that. And we are playing Hello Puppet. Firstly, because I love horror games. Secondly, I love. Oh shit. Okay. Well. Firstly, because I love horror game, and secondly, because I love puppets. It's a entertainment platform that I like, and hopefully I'll be liking this. Is that an arm? And I can grab it. Okay. Can I grab those? Nope, I cannot grab those. I'm gonna find some audio because due to my lack of experience, I wasn't able to record the beginning of the dialogue. So let's have this now. And I realize this is not magic. I'm gonna have to edit it later.
Hey, it's me, your intrepid editor. Listen, our Halloween edition's feeling light. You ever hear of the little decommissioned warehouse, the one where they used to film that little kid show from the 80s? It's supposed to be haunted. There's rumors about homeless guys disappearing. It's probably all bullshit, but see if you can sneak in, take some pictures, write something up, but don't go crazy, because we're a college paper, not Woodward and Bernstein. Just call me when you're done.
Hello puppets, great. I can't control anything. Nothing is interactive. Hopefully there is not blood. And I'm in a horror game. Why am I asking that? This is Mortimer Handy. Mortimer Handy, Owen's original legendary top secret design has baffled puppets makers the world over with its nuance and lifelike motions. Owens often says Mortimer is more me than I am. Oh, this is FNAF vibes. Ooh, look, Date seems to be a scientist. It looks a lot like in Portal 2. Beloved by fans for her love of science. Phrase more data. Riley loves her dog Roscoe, requiring 2 puppeteers, who is always at her side. Oh, so we have like 3 puppeteers ready just for Roscoe. A pie? I was really hoping that wasn't a knife, and that isn't a knife, so that's good. Daisy. They call the puppet Daisy Danger. She's helpful, friendly, homemaker, and party planner. But if she gets mad, watch out, she becomes Daisy Danger, and you'd better stay out of her way. Okay! That makes sense. Reminds me of a character. Reminds me of... This has a whole Happy Tree Friend vibe. So this is our artistic puppet. Knick-Knack. Knick-Knack. Obviously, Knick-Knack is the artistic one in charge of putting on shows, theater, poetry, music, etc. Nick is always at odds with the methodical and precise Riley, obviously. I really hope this is not blood, but obviously this is a horror game. I am gonna be disappointed. Or should not. Dead?
Well, hello, old fiend! What brings you to this strange little scene? Now I can tell you're starstruck, and of course you should be, because I am none other than Mortimer Handy, star of Mortimer's Handymen, the smash hit TV show. I can tell you're a fan, so wouldn't you know, today's your lucky day. One I bet, because I'm giving you your very own handyman puppet. Pick whichever you like, they're all the same.
me, Dad? Can you hear me? You're made in a really creepy fashion. You're made of wood?
Go ahead.
Motherfucker!
Be shy.
Shut up. I'll be shy. I'll take my time. I really want to go with the character that is on the icon and on the banner of Steam, but
The classic blue hair. You know, there's a reason handyman puppets are so lifelike and true. When you wear them, they really wear you.
yeah, I can.
Palutaka istera mureza vitera desa. Arise, puppet, arise, and claim the soul of this host for your pride. Hello, little ghost. Why all the fuss? You lost your mind, and your body belongs to us. Listen. Can't you hear that handyman tune? Just relax. Give in to me.
No,
And it'll all be over soon.
3 feet seconds ago. Fuck you.
Okay, here we go. Lift left hand. Hey, I said lift left hand. Let's go.
You can't get away. So run, or I'll make you pay.
It off. Lift right hand. No?
There's no escape. You're wasting your breath.
Another hold. I swear to God.
So much worse than death.
I think it just glitched. Okay.
Hey, what the? I'm not making the host do that. Wait, was that eye contact there? Are you awake? Host, look at me.
I am looking at you.
No. You're supposed to be out. A zombie, zonked. I'm supposed to control you completely.
Welcome to Puppet Host Orientation. Our purpose is to measure your host control and manipulation.
Wait a minute. I think there's something wrong with my host.
Rhyme, Scout!
Shit. Sorry. What if my host is not working? Can I get another one without any jerking around? Ugh.
You've had 2 failed tests in the past. This 3rd attempt will be your last.
Damn it! Look, you're not supposed to be awake, so you just gotta play along and act like I have total control of you or we're both dead. Do you understand? Say something! Right. Riley, sewed your mouth shut. Okay. Just nod your head if you understand me. Okay, good. Now shake your head. Good. Okay, you're not entirely useless.
Did you say something?
No, just talking to myself. I didn't mean to, share the wealth.
Surprisingly coherent rhyme, Scout. Your future, perhaps, is no longer in doubt. Proceed!
Okay, big and tall. Hold me up to that screen and I'll open it.
That works. Oh. I have to do it. Man, that is so fucked up. And she saw my fucking mouth shut. Hey, I'm exploring. It's a horror game, for fuck's sake. The more stuff you have on you, it's the better. Okay, nothing.
Let the testing begin.
Okay. That should be fine.
Okay, listen up, Gulliver's Trap. What are you doing? We're supposed to be pressing that button.
Yes, I am.
Okay, listen up. Go back over to the button before Riley goes nuts.
Okay.
Okay, listen up, Gulliver's Travels. We gotta press this at the same time. 3, 2, no, wait, let's go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this isn't working. I'll count you off on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations! You managed to press a button. Eventually. Proceed! And try to do it a bit more quickly. Please wait here and do not further tread. Another test subject is finishing up in the room ahead.
I don't have my left hand. It's kind of hard to do this.
I'm gonna be sick. Ah, shit!
That was a test of reflex and reaction, which you barely passed to satisfaction.
Test my reflexes when I kick your ass, Riley.
Hey, listen, if you're not that happy about Riley, we can both kick her ass.
Okay, I remember this one. You have to turn this thing at the same time I do, in the same direction. So just watch me, okay? Here we go. And switch. And switch.
Huh. Another test passed. But this success, I suspect, was your last!
Why is Riley such a bitch to you?
Please hold steady. The next chamber isn't quite ready.
Hey, host, look at me for a second. You're killing us out there. You're not passing for a mindless zombie slave at all, and you're dragging me down with you. I don't feel like you get how bad this situation is. I don't have time to explain everything to you, but basically you're in a decommissioned soundstage filled with murderous sentient puppets from a canceled children's TV show who were brought to life by an evil voodoo spell, and now they want to drain your life force in order to sustain themselves so they can bring their canceled show back to life and take over the world. Actually, wow, that was pretty good. Did that all make sense to you? Either you're a phenomenal listener or you're bullshitting me. If we see stuff that's relevant, I'll call it out to you.
That actually reminds me
Look, it takes a lot of felt to admit you were wrong, and maybe I've been a little sharp with you. You probably noticed I'm not exactly Captain Popular around here. I've never really fit in with the puppets. I've been trying to find a way to escape from this place for a while now, but I can never get past Riley's little dog and pony show. If you can help me get through this thing, then maybe we can get the hell out of here. But we gotta work together. So what do you say? Are we a team? So it's gonna be like that. Okay, fine, asshole. Good luck out there.
I'm giving you a
I apologize for the pace being slow. The next chamber is ready to go.
Oh, it's the thing moving around. Oh, fuck you.
It's really dark in here. Hit me on my head to turn on my light.
Really? Oh my god, really? Hammer? Nope, can't grab anything.
Okay, this definitely wasn't here last time. What the hell is all this?
We're gonna listen to this. Do you know what that is? They should have made like a mic. Oh yeah, no shot, I forgot.
Okay, it's April 15th. This is Anthony Pearson, log number 5. I'm sorry, I gotta keep my voice down. I think there's puppets nearby. This is it. This is fucking it. A real supernatural phenomenon. The one I've been looking for my whole life, and it was hiding here in a rundown warehouse in bumfuck nowhere. I can't believe I almost bailed on this place. I gotta get pictures of everything, not just for the website, for the world. I'm gonna keep my research in hidden compartments around the warehouse. I'll use the Vox Veritas symbol, the pyramid with the eye, to mark where they are in case I need to find them. I'd keep it at home, but who am I kidding? My home's a Pontiac Grand Am right now. What was that? Shit.
That guy sounds crazy, and that's coming from a talking hand
April
puppet.
15th. This is Anthony Pearson, log number 5. I'm sorry, I gotta keep my...
Do you see that?
No, I don't see that.
Ah, shit!
Roscoe, bed dog, sit, my pet. Don't attack them. Not quite yet.
Remind us, filming starts at 6:30 a.m. sharp. Puppets to be handled only by Owen or the puppeteers. Mortimer only be handled by Owen, no exceptions. Okay. I hope this is not the lab of that crazy woman. What is the name of the dude?
Welcome to Visual Hand Coordination. This custom-designed handy big ball drop and sort device will test your ability to non-verbally relay information.
Rhyme, Riley!
Information rhymes with coordination! Do not question my rhyme participation!
She's just mad because she knew that was a stretch. Okay, I remember this one, but since we're not a team, I guess you can figure it out for yourself. Okay, it's starting up. 3, 2, 1. Host, put me back in the machine. I can't see the ball colors. Put me in the machine. Red. Yellow. Cactus. Holy shit, we did it!
Passed a test, you always failed somehow. I'm skeptical, but continue on. For now.
I'm skeptical. But it looks okay.
Taxidermied rat. Gross.
Taxidermy? Look at the head, man. This is not taxidermy. This is goddamn fucking tissue. You cannot hear me, I forgot. You cannot feed the rat. You cannot grab the lamp. Oh, we're still on. You don't shed a lot of light. We should upgrade that.
Wait. Stop. Do you hear that?
Is that Rocco? Oh, bitch, motherfucker. This better not be Rocco.
Shit. A sock puppet. Quick, hit me on the head to turn the light off. Whatever you do, don't turn on my light. They can see it.
Only your light? I'm not going that way. But that, I know what that pyramid is for. Let's find the crazy dude's computer. Even though, let's be honest, I'm talking to a puppet and my mouth has been sewn shut. Motherfucker! Okay, let's process this. I am scared my balls out. Let's go over there.
Whoa! What is this? A sauna? This must be the next test. Hold me up above the steam. Okay, I can see a shutoff valve. I'll walk you toward it. Just listen to me. Warmer? No. Super cold. Glacier cold. Polar ice caps cold. Unbearably cold. Good. Warmer. Surface of the sun hot. Hey, what the? Okay, you got it. Good job. And just in time. This smoke is hell on my asthma. I don't have asthma. I don't know why I said that.
Makes sense. Okay, let's keep it on. Wait, why were you afraid of the sock puppets?
Welcome to Advanced Visual Hand Sync Test, version 1.013. Please approach the handy flag and weight machine.
Okay, I've never made it this far. Hey, I can see you out there. I have some colored buttons in here, but I don't know which one to push. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Pink.
Yes, we did it.
Impossible. Even at your best, there is no way you'll make it through that test! Ah! Relax, Riley. You have plans in place to slow down this accelerating pace.
Plans in place? What the hell does that mean?
She does not want you in. She does not want you anywhere here. That means we're stuck together, aren't we? Can you see anything? Nope. Is this the bathroom? Is this the bathroom? Is this the bathroom? Get the fuck out! Ninja! Ha! This is what we're looking for. Oh! I love those. They're inefficient, and I tried with it once. It was extremely expensive, but hey, they're fun to use. They kidnap people. Wait. Oh wait, I do have light. Holy shit, they were kidnapping people.
Okay, it's May 3rd. This is tape 7 or 8. I actually can't remember. Okay, they're not ghosts, I can tell you that. They're corporeal. The scientist one, Riley, she has a lab downstairs. I found it tonight, and I've seen some bad shit in my life. I've never seen anything like that. She's like a puppet mangala or something. She had these tapes, too. They're just stacked up in boxes. Now, a lot of them were burned, but this one actually did play.
People think that the occult is all superstition and nonsense, but I can feel something moving inside of Mortimer when I say these words, imperfect as they are. His soul is in there. It wants to come to life. I'm so close.
That was Owen Gubberson, the creator of Mortimer's Handyman. I did a little digging at the library. This guy was a nut, really off his rocker. Obsessed with his puppets, obsessed with the occult, with bringing them to life. He thought his puppets had souls that were trapped in their bodies. Did he go crazy enough to try to find some occult spell that would bring his puppets to life? And did the world go so crazy that the spell actually fucking worked?
Wow, that was Owen's voice.
Cray. All of them. You, them, him. All of them. All of you. All cray. Oh. Here. I can't believe that these screens has a digitizer.
Shit! Another sock puppet! Be careful!
Oh my god, okay, I see. They don't see me as long as you're off, isn't it?
Shit! Another sock puppet! Be careful!
Okay, let's test this out a second time. If you're not on, he doesn't see me, right? Ooh, run! He sees me! Run! He sees me! Just have to follow him. So it takes him a little moment to realize who is real.
Shit! Another sock puppet! Be careful!
Okay, so when I run, he doesn't hear me. Okay. Can I close the door? Okay, there it is closed. Okay. It's not that bad. Okay. Do I have a turtleneck like the other ones? I'm not a big fan of turtlenecks. Could you change my style later?
Improbably, you have arrived at the final station, but I have added a special test just for you that I think you will find quite a taxation. Good luck.
Fail, Otron? Oh, come the fuck on! What is this?
Let's do this.
Okay, it's starting up. 3, 2, 1. Red. 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 Red.
Oh.
Red.
What the fuck?
Okay, final round. I can't. Wait a minute. This is. I can't do this. No one can do this.
From what
Shit.
I can tell, it seems your test didn't go so well.
This is bullshit. That machine's impossible. No one could pass that. You're sabotaging us.
I warned Mortimer about you. I said you weren't a handyman through and through. You had your chance, you couldn't float, and now my dog makes a two-toy from your throat.
Host, run! We have to run right now!
Roscoe, get them!
Wrong side! Wrong side! Wrong side! Wrong side! Run! Oh no! Oh, good side! Good side! Run! Run! I said run! Fucking counter! Why aren't you running? Why aren't you running? Run! 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 Okay.
That door's straight ahead! Human resources! Go there!
Yep. I wish I could. But my joystick doesn't.
Get inside now!
Okay. Ooh, hurry!
Just hit the damn button! Come on!
I really wish I had the valve index for this. Man, what happened to you, Rocco? You look so ugly. Whoa, okay, no, I ain't messing with it. No.
Get back over to the crank! Turn the crank with me, host! Switch! Switch!